Welcome to New Car. Today, we bring you a complete maintenance guide for the 2025 Bugatti Chiron, based on the company's official recommendations. This guide will help you keep your hypercar in peak condition for maximum performance and durability. The headlights of the Bugatti Chiron are high-intensity LED units designed for precision illumination, lasting up to 50,000 hours. To maintain their clarity, clean them every 2 weeks with a microfiber cloth and a specialized cleaner. If they become foggy or yellowed, professional polishing or replacement is recommended. The tires are high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2, designed for extreme speeds and track-level grip. They typically last between 15,000 to 20,000 kilometers under normal driving conditions. Tire pressure should be checked weekly and adjusted to Bugatti's specifications. Rotation is not required due to their unique staggered sizes, and replacement is necessary when tread depth reaches 230 inches or after high-speed track use. Inside the interior, the Chiron features premium leather, carbon fiber, and an advanced digital cockpit. To maintain these materials, wipe the leather surfaces with a soft cloth and use a high-quality leather conditioner every 3 months. Carbon fiber panels should be cleaned with a dry microfiber cloth to prevent scratches. The digital display should be wiped with a dry cloth to avoid screen damage. With proper care, the interior can remain pristine for over a decade. The engine is an 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16, engineered for extreme performance and longevity. Oil and filter changes should be performed every 10,000 kilometers or 12 months, whichever comes first. Air filters should be checked every 20,000 kilometers, and fuel filters replaced every 30,000 kilometers. Coolant levels must be monitored monthly to prevent overheating. For fuel system maintenance, always use premium 98 octane or higher as recommended by Bugatti. The fuel injectors should be cleaned every 50,000 kilometers and the fuel pump inspected regularly to ensure consistent performance. Proper maintenance ensures the Chiron's engine remains in peak condition for over 200,000 kilometers. The body of the Chiron is made from lightweight carbon fiber, providing aerodynamics and strength. To maintain its finish, wash the car weekly using a pH-neutral shampoo, wax every 3 months, and inspect for micro scratches. After high-speed driving, check for debris impact damage on the front splitter and side panels. The braking system features carbon ceramic discs designed for high-performance stopping power. Brake pads should be inspected every 10,000 kilometers and replaced as needed, while rotors can last up to 100,000 kilometers under normal conditions. Brake fluid should be replaced every 2 years to maintain optimal braking performance. For suspension and steering, routine inspections every 20,000 kilometers help ensure precise handling. Wheel alignment should be checked after track use or high-speed driving. The active suspension system requires periodic calibration to maintain ride quality and aerodynamics. The electrical system includes a high-performance lithium-ion battery. The battery terminals should be cleaned every 6 months, and a full battery test performed annually. Avoid prolonged inactivity, as the battery can drain quickly without regular use. By following these maintenance guidelines, the 2025 Bugatti Chiron will deliver outstanding performance for years. Stay tuned to New Car for more updates and expert insights.